That means we're not true.
Ginger ale.
Can't believe our big day is finally here. As your wife, I promise to love you with my whole heart, unconditionally, and honor you as my husband. My love for you perseveres like Jesus. I know that there are not enough words that I can use to express the love I have for you, but I will spend my lifetime showing you that I will live the words, quote, I do, today, tomorrow, and forever and ever. Can't wait to tap you on the shoulder together. Love, your future wife, Kristen.
Kristen, words cannot describe what you mean to me. We have been through so much, and now finally, we get to celebrate with all our family and friends. Kristen, you look so beautiful at the rehearsal dinner, you took my breath away. Your smile lights up my life, your laugh makes my heart flutter. You're the most amazing woman I have ever met. You make me a better man, a better person. Thank you for everything you have done for me. You have saved my life. I am eternally grateful to you. Your husband, Ross.
I, Ross, take you, Kristen, to be my wife
To have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for rich, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
until God by death separates us.
And to this effort I pledge my all. I, Ross, take you, Kristen, as my wife.
I invite you to share in everything I own and possess.
But most importantly, I give you my heart.
My attention
and all my love.
and all my love.
I do this in the presence of these witnesses.
I take you to be my husband
And best friend.
and best friend.
I promise I will be a faithful husband.
I promise
That I will be a faithful wife.
that I will be a faithful wife.